Top and most powerful drinks to strengthen vision, maintain eye safety, protect against visual impairment and improve vision after the age of 50. Welcome to Like Health. If you're looking for natural ways to boost your eye health, you're in the right place. Discover with us these 5 amazing drinks, full of nutrients to help maintain and improve your vision as you age. Number 1, Carrot and Orange Juice. First on our list is carrot and orange juice, a powerful combination for eye health. Carrots are known for their high levels of beta-carotene, which the body converts to vitamin A, a vital nutrient for maintaining healthy vision and preventing conditions such as night blindness and age-related macular degeneration. On the other hand, oranges are full of vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps protect eyes from damage caused by free radicals and supports vascular health in the eyes. This refreshing smoothie not only boosts your immune system but also provides essential nutrients to keep your eyes sharp. Drinking carrot and orange juice regularly can improve overall eye health, making it an excellent choice for those looking to improve their vision naturally. For an added bonus, this drink is delicious and easy to make at home, ensuring you get your daily dose of eye protective vitamins. Incorporate carrot and orange juice into your diet to support your vision and enjoy a vibrant and nutrient-rich drink. Number 2, Spinach and Kale Smoothie. Next up is our Spinach and Kale Smoothie, a green powerhouse packed with nutrients specifically beneficial for eye health. Both spinach and kale are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that play a crucial role in protecting your eyes from harmful blue light and reducing the risk of macular degeneration. These leafy greens also provide a substantial amount of vitamin C and beta-carotene, which help prevent oxidative damage and maintain healthy vision. By blending spinach and kale into a smoothie, you can easily consume these vital nutrients in a delicious and convenient way. This smoothie is not only great for your eyes but also supports overall wellness with its high content of vitamins and minerals. To maximize the benefits, consider adding a source of healthy fat, like avocado or a splash of olive oil, to enhance the absorption of these fat-soluble antioxidants. Regularly drinking a spinach and kale smoothie can be a game changer for those looking to improve their vision naturally. So, if you're searching for effective ways to boost your eye health and protect your vision, this smoothie is a must-try. Number 3, Berry Smoothie. Moving on to number 3, we have the Berry Smoothie, a delicious and nutrient-dense drink that's fantastic for your vision. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamin C and vitamin E, which help protect your eyes from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. These vibrant fruits also contain anthocyanins, compounds that improve blood circulation to the eyes and enhance vision. Incorporating a variety of berries into your smoothie ensures you're getting a broad spectrum of nutrients that support eye health. For an extra boost, add a handful of spinach or kale to your berry smoothie, combining the benefits of leafy greens with the power of berries. This drink is not only eye healthy but also boosts your overall immune system and provides a refreshing way to start your day. If you're looking for natural ways to improve your eyesight or healthy drinks for better vision, this berry smoothie is a perfect choice. Enjoy this tasty blend regularly to help maintain and improve your eye health naturally. Number 4, Green Tea. Number 4 on our list is green tea, an excellent beverage for eye health and overall wellness. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, particularly catechins, which are known to protect the delicate tissues of the eyes from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Regular consumption of green tea has been linked to a reduced risk of cataracts and other eye disorders. Additionally, green tea contains vitamin C, vitamin E, lutein, and zeaxanthin, all of which are vital for maintaining healthy vision and protecting against age-related macular degeneration. Drinking green tea daily can help reduce eye strain and improve visual acuity, making it a perfect choice for those who spend long hours in front of screens. If you're searching for natural remedies for better eyesight or the best drinks to improve vision, green tea is a simple yet powerful addition to your diet. Incorporate green tea into your daily routine to support your eye health and enjoy the numerous other benefits this ancient beverage has to offer. Number 5, Almond Milk. Finally, number 5 on our list is almond milk, a nutritious drink that supports eye health and overall wellness. Almond milk is an excellent source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects your eyes from oxidative damage and helps maintain healthy vision. This plant-based milk also provides essential fatty acids, such as omega-3, which are known to reduce inflammation and support the structural integrity of eye cells. For those looking to enhance their eye health, almond milk is a great alternative to dairy, especially for individuals who are lactose intolerant. By incorporating almond milk into your diet, you can enjoy the benefits of improved eye health and reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. If you're searching for natural ways to improve eyesight, healthy drinks for better vision, or the best beverages for eye health, almond milk is an excellent choice. Regularly drinking almond milk can contribute to overall eye safety and health, ensuring your vision remains sharp as you age. Make almond milk a staple in your diet to support your eyes and overall well-being. We welcome all new subscribers to the channel.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to like channel to receive all new news.